All right, today just wanted to give a brief demonstration on our containers and what they look like on the inside, soil, talk about the complete system, and just do a little rundown. So just gonna start with the planted system itself. This is what a planted system looks like. We have many available at our storefront that you can buy planted, or you can buy them unplanted, which would be just like this. For the unplanted, it comes with the soil, the fertilizer, the measuring stick, and you would just get your own plants and plant it yourself. The difference in cost is really just the cost of flowers, so we definitely recommend getting a planted system your first year. But anyways, basically maintenance from day to day would just be checking the water level every day with your measuring stick. That is this guy. You'll just stick it in the fill tube. When the water reaches the 1/4 inch mark, which right now it's got plenty of water, so we won't need to do that, but when it reaches the 1/4 inch mark, you'll refill. And you just easily do that by getting your hose, filling up through the fill tube until the water pours out the spill hole, which is this guy, and then your pot is watered. So that's the simple day-to-day. And outside of that, you'll be fertilizing once every second or third time. We have a liquid concentrate that's balanced for the pH levels here in the western states for our high alkaline waters and soils. Flowers are heavy plant feeders, so we recommend fertilizing every second or third time, whereas vegetables are going to be once or up to twice a month. So that's the difference there. So that's basic rundown for those. We just want to also do a simple rundown of the system without anything in it. These are our standard, most popular system. It's a 16-inch round. We call them self-watering systems. It's more like sub-irrigating. It eliminates water waste, allows an optimal amount of water for flowers, vegetables, plants at all times. Basically, it's a 3-part system. The first part being the container itself. As you can see here, it holds 2 gallons of water in the bottom, with the spill hole being right out here like we just showed. This is the fill tube. That's how you fill it up. Holds 2 gallons within the reservoir itself, and then about another gallon of water in the soil when it is completely filled. So unlike a traditional pot where the water just leaches out, this contains it until the roots drink it up. And then all you have to do, again, is just check that water level day to day. When the water reaches the 1/4 inch mark on the measuring stick, which is about right there, you just fill it back up. So that's the container itself. The second part of the system is going to be our potting mix. We use SC1 Grow Mix. It's a mix that like greenhouse growers use. It holds the water moisture really well. As you can see, it's not like what you'd see at just Home Depot that has a lot of bark in it. This is specific for holding the moisture and allowing that wicking action through the fill tube. The third part of our system is going to be that fertilizer, which is a liquid concentrate. We sell this in the quart. The system comes with a quart, but we also have it in a gallon. And that's how you'll maintain the system and feed the plants all summer long.